This creamy coconut corn will change your life. Here's how to make this super easy appetizer. So I start off by prepping my ingredients. So here I've just got about 2 to 3 garlic cloves and I'm going to dice those finely. Then I'm taking about 1/4 of an onion and I'm just going to chop this up. Next up, I'm taking 1/4 of a red bell pepper and again, I'm just going to chop this up. And then we're bringing some spice with a Scotch bonnet pepper, which I'm just going to dice. In a pan, I'm heating up about 1 tablespoon of butter. And then I'm going to start to saute all those vegetables we just prepared. You want to saute this for about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium to hot temperature. Then I'm going to add in my coconut milk. So I've got about 400 milliliters of coconut milk and I'm going to add a little bit of water on top. Then you want to season it with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and let this all simmer together for about 5 minutes. Once that's done its thing, I reopen the pot and I add 2 cobs of corn that I also chop in half. And I also add 1 spring onion stalk chopped, a handful of thyme sprigs, a chicken or vegetable stock cube, then a little bit of paprika and a little bit of all-purpose, and then you just want to mix that together and cook it on a medium temperature for about 30 minutes. After that's done, you'll find that your coconut sauce has thickened and your coconut corn looks as delicious as what you see here. Now this coconut broth is so delicious that something as arguably as boring as corn is not boring anymore. You're gonna love this recipe. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.